Today's session, and in today's session, I will discuss about what is the importance of building a responsive website. If you are building an app, a website, or any web pages, that is should be responsive. What do you mean by responsive? Response and responsive means responsive means we assess the website through the different device, like someone assessing this website through the laptop, through smart TVs, through large screen, and through the mobile also has different sizes, like someone assessing the mobile through the ultra, and someone assessing through the mobile, the Samsung and other mobile phone. So responsive means if any user assessing this your website, it should be convenient and it should be visible properly on every device, and it should be suitable for every device. So any user who using any type of device, they can see your content accurately. Because sometimes what happened, if you suppose most of the website are by default designed for a laptop screen, that means wide screen. But sometimes when you open this website and you want to search something, the search button is hide and it may be override. So this type of experience is not good, because this is called user experience. A user, what type of experience he or she gain during visiting, or when he or she is spending some time to your website, how the which type of experience they gain. If it is a good experience, if it is helpful, if it is a impactful experience, then the customer or the user will visit again and again to your platform. If it is very difficult, if it is very lengthy, and if it is not user friendly. User friendly means if it is not suitable for user, and what user want exactly, and what user, as for user expectation, if your website not fulfill that expectation, then any user, if I'm a user, why I visit this type of website? I want to buy something from your e-commerce website, and I open your website through my mobile. But when I want to add to cart, but your cart, when I click on the cart, then the cart is not visible properly. Some products here and the product here. So it should be convenient for every device. This is called responsive. And what is the benefit of responsive? If I say the benefits, there is a user benefits, because when a user, everything is depend on user. Responsive is create for a user friendly. A user can gain a positive experience from our website or any web application. When they visit our website, they should be our all our content should be visible as per the device, and we should create it. And it also, and a another thing, when a user gain a positive experience, they visit again and again. And when a customer, this is, they are your customer. Like if you running a business through your website, they are your customer. When a customer repeatedly visiting your shop or any your business or any your organization or your website, that means your income and your sales possibility is high. So everyone, every organization, every business want this. Ki most of the customer visit their site. So if you give this responsive and other user experience, then there are higher chance of visiting any website. And if it is accessible for all devices, because most of the people have mobile, everyone not accessing the Google Chrome or your website through the laptop or any other things, because everyone has the mobile and other devices. So if it is helpful and if it is accessible, easily can anyone can access this your website through the different devices, because our mobile phone also different sizes, different shape. So if it is suitable for me and if it is suitable for my devices, and if I use it properly, then definitely I visit it again. And because there is a, if I say for example, there is a multiple payment app. Why people using Google Pay or PhonePe? Because it is user experience is very good. You have nothing to do. Just open your app, touch your QR code, scan and pay. This is if you doing something that's a very lengthy process, then no one visiting your website. That's the truth. And another thing, it is cost effective because if you building a website that is another website for a large screen, another website for a wide screen, another website for a portrait screen. So it will create maybe it will charge some more expense money. And another thing, it's based upon SEO. When visiting more user on your website, there is a higher possibility your website organically reach and top ranking. It will be a higher possibility to rank on top on a Google search. When I search something, suppose I search something web design or web development near me, near my location. So if your website is very popular, why it is popular? Because most of the people visiting your website on daily basis, this number is high. So Google know that this is the popular shop or this is the popular website. Then Google will organically show it on your top priority. When I search something that the related to your website keyword, it will be on the rank on top on the Google, so that any user can easily see watch or see your website. Then they can have possibility to visit your website. So this is the main. So this is how you can build a responsive website, which is the most important thing in development or designing software. Thank you. Have a good day.